Here we need to calculate the area of garden in figure by separately calculating the areas of triangles and sector. Now the area of sector is given by the equation half r square theta that is half times 6 square times 1.3 radian. After calculation, get the answer as 23.4 meters square. Now we are going to calculate the measure of angle AB. Cos of angle AB is AB square plus BE square minus AE square or by 2 times AB times BE, that's equal to 6 square plus 10.8 square minus 12.2 square or by 2 times 6 times 10.8. Now after simplification, we got cos of AB as (0.0293). Now angle AB is cos inverse of 0.0293. That's equal to 1.54 radian. Now for finding the area of garden, first of all try to calculate the area of triangle ABE. Now area of triangle AB is equal to half of AB times BE times sine of angle ABE, that's equal to half of 10.8 times 6 times sine of 1.54. Now after simplification, for the area 32.38 meters square. Now for calculating the area of triangle BCD, first of all try to calculate the sides BC and CD. Now angle CBD is equal to 5 minus 1.54 plus 1.3, that's equal to 0.3 radian. Now in triangle BCD, sine of 0.3 is equal to CD by 6. That is CD is equal to 6 times sine of 0.3. That's equal to 1.77 radian. Now cos of 0.3 is BC by 6. BC equal to 6 times cos of 0.3. That's equal to 5.73 meter. Now area of triangle BCD is equal to half of times CD. That's equal to half of 1.77 times 5.73. That's equal to 5.083 meters square. Now the area of garden is area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BCD plus area of sector BED. That's equal to 32.38 plus 5.083 plus 23.4. That's we got the final answer as 16.9 meters square. Here we have to find the coordinates of P and Q by solving the equations y minus 5x equal to 75 and y is equal to x square plus x minus 21 by using algebra. First of all, rewrite the first equation as y is equal to 5x plus 75. Now equating the two equations, we got 2x square plus x minus 21 equal to 5x plus 75. Now rearranging, we got 2x square minus 4x minus 96 equal to 0. Now by taking 2 as common, x square minus 2x minus 48 equal to 0. Now for factorizing, split the middle term as x square minus 8x plus 6x minus 48 equal to 0. That is x times x minus 8 plus 6 times x minus 8 equal to 0. Now x minus 8 times x plus 6 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 8 and minus 6. Now substitute each values of x in equation number 1. We got the corresponding y values. That is y is equal to 5x plus 75 implies when x equal to 8, y is equal to 40 plus 75, that is 115. And when x equal to minus 6, y is equal to minus 30 plus 75, that is 45. Therefore, 8, 115 and minus 645 are two solutions of the equations. Now the coordinates of P are minus 645 and Q represents 8, 115. Now consider the inequality y less than or equal to 2x square plus x minus 21. Now take a point 0, 0 inside the parabola. Then the inequality becomes 0 less than minus 21. Therefore, the inequality y less than or equal to x square plus x minus 21 represents the portion outside the parabola. Now next consider the inequality y minus 5x less than or equal to 75. Now take a point 0, 0 from the right side of the straight line. Now the inequality becomes 0 less than or equal to 75. Hence the inequality y minus 5x less than or equal to 75 represents the portion on the right side of the straight line. Now the shaded region is on positive y-axis. Therefore, y greater than or equal to 0. Next inequality. Now for identifying the next inequality, first of all try to locate the points of crossing of x-axis of the parabola. That is, crossing of x-axis is given by 2x square plus x minus 21 equal to 0. Now factorizing 2x plus 7 times x minus 3 equal to 0. That is x equal to minus 7 by 2 and x equal to 3 are the points of crossing of x-axis of the parabola. Now this point represents x equal to minus 3.5. Therefore, x less than or equal to minus 3.5 represents the next inequality. Hence, the four inequalities representing the shaded region are y less than or equal to 2x square plus x minus 21, y minus 5x less than or equal to 75, y greater than or equal to 0. Now x less than or equal to minus 3.5. Now here f of x equal to 2x cube minus kx square plus 14x plus 24. And then try to find out the expression for f dash x and f double dash x. Then find the coordinates corresponding to the points of intersection A and B by finding the value of k. Here we have to find out the expressions corresponding to f dash x. We know that d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Now d by dx of x to the power 3 is 3x to the power 3 minus 1, that is 3x square. Now d by dx of x square is 2 times x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2x. Now d by dx of x is 1 x to the power 0, that's equal to 1. Finally, d by dx of constant as 0. Now f dash x equal to 2 times d by dx of x cube is 3x square minus k times d by dx of x square is 2x plus 14 times 1 plus 0. That is f dash x equal to 6x square minus 2kx plus 14. Now f double dash x is 6 times. Now d by dx of x to the power 2 is 2x minus 2k times d by dx of x is 1 plus derivative of constant as 0. That's equal to 12x minus 2k. Try to equate the two expressions of f dash and f double dash x. 6x square minus 2kx plus 14 equal to 12x minus 2k. Now since the x coordinate of A is 5, try to substitute the value of x as 5 in above equation. That is 6 times 5 square minus 2 times k times 5 plus 14 is equal to 12 times 5 minus 2k. That is 150 minus 10k plus 14 equal to 60 minus 2k. That's 8k equal to 104. Now k equal to 13. Now substituting k equal to 13 in equation number 1, 6 times 6 square minus 2 times 13 times x plus 14 equal to 12x minus 2 times 13. Now that is equal to 6x square minus 38x plus 40 equal to 0. Now we are going to find out the coordinates of B. Since it is now substitute x equal to 4 by 3 either in expression f dash x or in f double dash x. We got 12x minus k is equal to 12 times 4 by 3 minus 13, that's equal to minus 10. Now when x equal to 4 by 3, we got the value of x as minus 10. Hence the coordinates of point B are 4 by 3 minus 10.